Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. What Nasdaq just said about Shiba Inu, this will make SHIB reach $1 soon. Explained. This video is loaded with exciting news for Shiba Inu. The first one is about Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a global electronic marketplace for buying and selling securities. Nasdaq started as a subsidiary of the National Association of Securities Dealers, the financial industry regulatory authority. Recently, Nasdaq said something interesting about Shiba Inu. The other news is about a new project that the Shiba Inu team is working on. In this video, we will talk about what Nasdaq said about Shiba Inu. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The Shiba Inu game is split into both a classic mobile game and an NFT game that will use the Shiboshi NFTs. Developed by PlaySide Studios and William Volk, the mobile game is designed to bring in more casual players. It'll feature in-app purchases. The blockchain version of the game will add further value to the Shiboshi NFTs and include play-to-earn elements. Most of the information about the games does not distinguish between the two. We have yet to see any gameplay from the Shiba Inu games, but developer William Volk assured listeners of the February AMA that it would not be a simple clone of other card games. The Shiba Inu game will be a multiplayer collectible card game featuring 1,000 SHIB-inspired cards. As SHIB project lead Shitoshi Kusama tweeted, these will include a special card based on SHIB founder Ryoshi. The cards are expected to reference the Shiba ecosystem more. In designs for a pizza Shiboshi seen by Planet Crypto, the designs of these cards, which are not a finished product, will give each card an attack and defense stats and a unique ability. The card sets will be gradually revealed throughout 2022. Shiba Discord moderator Queenie said in the latest AMA that the cards pay homage to past iconic games and it keeps with our meme heritage. According to Shitoshi, players do not need a Shiboshi NFT to get involved. You don't need an NFT to play the game, he said. It'll be more a flex to even have a card. We'll keep this section updated when more information about the specific features and gameplay. According to PlaySide Studios, the Shiba Inu game will launch in the first quarter of 2023. Based on the Australian fiscal year, we could expect the SHIB game to launch between July and September 2022. PlaySide also said it would work on the Shiba Inu game during the 8-month term of the agreement. If this began in December, it could suggest a July 2022 release date is the most likely date. However, as with many games, there remains the chance for a slightly delayed launch. Queenie said the game would release in the fourth quarter of 2022 or earlier in the February AMA. Let's move to the main subject. A few days ago, Nasdaq published an article about Shiba Inu and how you can earn passive income through it. The article talks about the idea behind staking is that you can earn rewards by committing cryptocurrency tokens. Your tokens are then used to support the underlying blockchain as it verifies transactions. The catch is that the blockchain must use the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism instead of the proof-of-work protocol. At first inspection, you might think that the old expression "this dog won't hunt" might be true or Shiba Inu when it comes to staking. After all, the token is built on Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain uses the proof-of-work protocol and consensus mechanism. Its beacon chain is already in place, bringing the ability to stake to the Ethereum ecosystem. The plan is for the beacon chain to be merged with the Ethereum mainnet sometime this year. When that happens, it will enable staking for the entire Ethereum network. The article said that 3 exchanges could help you do better trading. It's Binance, Crypto.com, and ShibaSwap. ShibaSwap is a decent exchange where you can lock up 67% of your stake tokens for 6 months. However, the crypto exchange allows you to claim weekly rewards on the remaining 33%. How much passive income you'll make staking Shiba Inu depends on which exchange you use, which lockup period you choose, and how many tokens you stake. But it's currently possible to make more than $1,200 in annual passive income for every $10,000 worth of staked tokens. That's a much higher amount than you can find with most other methods of generating passive income. Shitoshi has an urgent message to share with the SHIBARMY. There's an internet-breaking project that the team is working on right before our eyes, and it's going to make holders rich once it's launched. He posted a tweet that insinuates this. The tweet says, "Watching the sunset, but the future of SHIB has never been so bright. Have a grand weekend, SHIBARMY. Lots on deck in the upcoming weeks and months to be very excited about. Very." Aside from that, Shitoshi made a more direct reference to the internet-breaking project in the Welly Discord. Shortly after the restaurant chain announced its last Shiba Inu utility, Shitoshi said that we're building multiple things at once without a huge VC investment or corporate overload. This takes time, like lots of it, but I think all will be pleased. Shitoshi means that the project is a lot bigger than we anticipated. It looks like it'll be a series of interconnected projects to produce something genuinely magnificent. Several projects are on the way, some of them have already launched, and others are still in the works. There are probably also other projects that have not been announced yet, and how all of these will be interconnected is still somewhat of a mystery to us. All major tokens are bleeding red, and the global market cap fell 7.30% and is now reduced to $1.67 trillion. As per data from CoinMarketCap, even top crypto tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana felt the hit of the crash. Bitcoin broke its support levels and is now trading at $36,285.7 after falling 8.20% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum fell around 7%. Solana and Cardano each were respectively over 10 and 11% down. Meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu also felt the hit. Elon Musk's favorite crypto token, Dogecoin, fell over 5%, and Shiba Inu crashed over 6% in the last 24 hours. Sharat Chandra, crypto expert and vice president of research and strategy at Earth ID, told Business Today that this dip in prices should be taken as an opportunity to buy. He said, "Technical indicators signal that Bitcoin prices will hover around $30,000 to $32,000. The Luna Foundation Guard is making the best use of the fall in Bitcoin prices and has amassed close to $1.5 billion in Bitcoin to ramp up the reserves for Terra stablecoin, and has become the numero uno holder of Bitcoin, displacing Tesla." Chandra further explained how stablecoins had stood their ground where Bitcoin and altcoins plummeted. Given the volatility in the market, investors can look at expanding their portfolio in stablecoins. Vikram Suburaj, CEO of Giotto's crypto exchange, told Business Today, "Crypto markets will be volatile until investors who are currently risk-off turn to risk-on mode. Bitcoin and other crypto assets can potentially shed up to 20% or more from current levels before investor funds start flowing into the asset again." He further advised investors on an approach to best benefit from this dip. He said, "Investors will be better off to stack cash and wait for signals of a reversal before allocating fresh capital to crypto. Patience will be key to allowing existing portfolios to consolidate and grow. We anticipate a strong fourth quarter of 2022 for crypto assets." So this is the best time to purchase Shiba Inu. Go for it. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.